Good day. This video clip is intended for the session of the registration and georeferencing of paper maps, part 2. So for this session, we'll be reprojecting a scanned image or scanned file of an old existing map to the base map without using the ground control points or GCPs. So let's open the QGIS. Let's select new project. Let's save the new project as registration of us and image to a base map. So again, we will load our Philippine Admin 2009 base map, Control Shift V. R3 vector S3. Add and close. Let's have our OpenLayer plugin, OpenStreetMap. Okay, then we will load a scan file, which is in the folder of LabX number 3 dataset, part 2, scan. We will be making use of this image file. So this image file is basically a map reflecting the hazard risk. Okay, so a rainfall-induced landslide risk. So in this image, we have various color. So the red is intended for high susceptibility and possible landslide. Then we have the moderate susceptibility, violet, and the yellow is for the low susceptibility. While the other color, it could be something as no data or no susceptibility. So for now, since we have no information, what does the green color, so we can assume temporarily that this green is intended for no information or no record yet or to be confirmed. Okay, so we'll be using this image file and we will georeference it. Okay, so georeferencing it is by means of registering it using the maze map. So raster, georeferencer, we will load the image file, open raster, SDNRIL, open. Then instead of projecting the instead of inputting the coordinates, since there's no coordinate points with this image, what we could do is to look for the similarity of the image file, the SDNRIL, and the base map. So as you can see, there are identical portions like this. So by clicking this and projecting it here. Okay, so instead of placing coordinates here, we will be making use of this. So let's change the coordinate system to EPSG 32651. So click from the map, then we will project it here. Then okay. Okay, so it's now registered here. Let's add more. Okay. Another one. Okay. And another one. Okay. Now, it must be noted once that you are projecting such item, make use of the items that has a well-defined feature that could easily be distinguished with a base map. So like this pointed portion, okay? So you could easily identify those. Unlike with the flat images or curved images like this one, you would find it difficult to identify which part of that would be reflected to this, okay? So let's have another one from map, another one from map, okay? So we can add many points in order to make sure that we could reproject it well. So it's very important also to reproject the entire image so it would be stretched all throughout. So let's have other parts here like this one. Let's have this. It is located somewhere here. This is basically this one. Okay. Let's have another one. This to this. And this to this. Have this. Okay. And let's have more here. The other side. Okay. Another one here. Then let's transform. So EPSG 32651 linear nearest neighbor EPSG 32651. Let's change the output. So let's have Surigao del Norte underscore uh, RIL rainfall induced landslide underscore EPSG 32651. Save. Okay. And you can see that all residuals are low. Okay, as much as possible. Again, to have low residuals, so it could be reprojected properly. Then click georeference. Then georeference successful. Raster was successfully georeferenced. So let's close this. And it's now being located here. So to be able to view this properly, let's change the transparency, adjust the transparency. So transparency, let's make it 80. Apply and okay. So if you will check this, so somehow it has some distortion but bearable projections. Okay, so basically that's it for registry reproject registering a scanned image to a base map. Now, these files for hazard map like this could be accessed also through NAMRIA. So you can download various maps of hazard map. So let's have NAMRIA again in our browser. So hazard map. So you can select it here. So for example, we have the SDN, Surigao del Norte. Let's have the rain-induced landslide number 7. Norte. So basically, this is that image file. Okay. And you can access different hazard maps here. And you could also have flood extent map and other maps and charts. Okay, so that's it for this video for registration of scanned image to a base map. Thank you.